Hi there, my name is Blóithín. This short video takes you on a virtual tour of a special installation created to illustrate key milestones in the history of Mater Private Network. This emerged from discussions with long-serving members of our team, and the result is a permanent installation centrally located where it can be enjoyed by patients, staff and visitors to the hospital. By sharing our story in this way, we hope to give you a sense of NPN and who we are. Our history panel begins with Sister Catherine Macaulay and the formidable challenge of founding the Mater Hospital in 1841 with a mission to provide the best medical care to all those who needed it. The move to provide private care was a gradual one, using the income it generated to support the running of what we now know as the Mater Misericordiae University Hospital, or MMUH. In the 1890s, the Mater Private Nursing Home was established, developing gradually to include 3 theatres and capacity for up to 92 patients. By 1969, it became known internally as a hospital, and in 1986, the doors opened to Mater Private Hospital as it now stands today. The unique pieces of art in our collection acknowledge Mater Private's origins. The sculpture, cross and stained glass window, together with this abridged history, highlight our historical connection with the Sisters of Mercy order. The legacy of the hospital's original values, compassion, respect and dignity, remain close to our values today, with patient focus, innovation and a pioneering approach to treatment at the heart of everything we do. The timeline draws attention to significant milestones over the past 35 years as Mater Private grew from a single Dublin hospital into a multi-location network across Ireland. The culture of care passages show that while patients' needs and medical treatment continue to evolve, we remain committed to delivering the best patient care possible now and in the years ahead. We look forward to a future full of potential through harnessing new technologies, continued collaboration with a community of healthcare colleagues, and a growing patient empowerment and engagement. 2 digital displays share some of the encouraging feedback we receive each day from our patients, more key milestones along our journey, and showcase our team doing what they do best. Thank you for taking the time to view this. We hope you enjoyed getting to know the story of Mater Private Network.